Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. It's for beginners, so if you're just starting out, want to know how to do it, this is the video for you. First thing you want to do, get the white cross. So, you find a white piece that's in the middle, like that. It's got blue on its other side, so you're going to want to get it to the blue side, which is over here. So, in this case, it's right here. So then, you're going to want to turn it up, so it's right here now, and it's on the correct side. You're going to repeat this for everything else. So, this one has orange on it, so you're going to turn it to the orange side. Turn it up, like that. That's right here. This one's on the red side. Turn it up. Should we, before we do that, this one's on green. So this is still right here, but this one has green. So we turn it up. So it's right there. And then finally, the red one. Now you got the white cross. Next, you want to get the corners of it. So right here, here's one. You want to turn it to the blue side. Like that. Then, the white side facing up. This way. So it's out of the way. This side down. Like that. So it's next to it. Turn it back up. Now you have it's in the right spot. You're going to repeat this. If it's up here, you're going to turn it down. Like that. Right there. And now it's over there. So it's on the blue side. Move it out of the way. That side down. There you go. Next, you're going to turn your red one. Move it out of the way. Side down. And then, there you go. You have one piece left. It's right here. Out of the way. Down. There we go. So now we have the white side. You'll know that you did it correct if there's like a T shape on everything. So now you're going to want to get the second layer. So this one is the first part where algorithms come in. So you're going to find a piece that doesn't have yellow. So it can't have yellow. Like these three, they have yellow. So don't use those. But right here, this one has blue and red. So you're going to turn it to the blue side, like that. You're going to see what color this is. If this color is on this side, then you're going to do this algorithm that I'm about to show you. If not, hopefully I come across one that's not. So, like that, like this, like that. The middle piece, this back up to the side, right there. This middle piece, back up, and there. So now the white side is still complete, but now this piece is right there. So now, let's say, alright, so we're going to do this one as orange and green. You're going to turn it to the orange side, and now the green is over here. So now you're going to do this algorithm. Turn it that. That. There we go. There. This. Here. And boom. The white side. And now that piece is in the correct place. So now here's what you do when there's only pieces that have yellow on here. You're going to find a piece up here. So it's in the wrong spot. So you're going to want to get that down to this side. So what you do, since it's over here, you're going to do that, this, So now it's down here. Turn it to the orange side. Basically, I'm just doing the algorithm, but faster. Now you should have the second layer done. Takes a little longer, that's okay. It's just, I'm gonna solve the yellow side. So we have the yellow line. It's always good. Have it face up. I'm gonna do so the yellow side is still intact, your second layer is still intact, but something's different now. You have the yellow fish. Or yellow cross, but next you're gonna want to get the fish. Let's say it looks like that. If it looks like this, that's okay. You just gotta repeat this algorithm that I'm about to show you. So you go up. Oh, wait. Also, you can also have something like this. Just repeat the algorithm too. So up. If that was a little fast, it's okay. I'm gonna be doing it again because now here. You're always gonna want it to face like down here, by the way. Then there's gonna be a yellow piece that's either right here or on this part. So now you're gonna do okay, now you have the yellow side. Next thing you want to do is get this layer right here. You're going to find a piece or a line that has two of the same colors on the edges. And then you're going to turn it to that color, so like that. Now with this facing backwards, you're going to do down this, and then you're going to do back twice, up, this, and then back twice again. There you go. Now you have all of them should now have these. If it's like this, that's good. That means you're going to be solving this faster. So now you're going to do, oh, I forgot. If you have this, you're going to have this face back. Then you're going to do okay. Now you might have to do this twice. Sometimes you get lucky and only have to do it once. Sometimes it's already solved, but with the side that's solved facing backwards, besides the yellow or white, with this side facing behind you, you do the same thing, only if you need to. Now it's solved. Congrats, you have solved a Rubik's Cube now. So you can go brag to your friends. You want that jazz, you know. So thanks for watching. This is how you solve a Rubik's Cube. In the comments, tell me if I was too fast or too slow. If I was, then I can change that and I can be faster or slower in my future videos. So in another video I might be doing is how to solve a 2x2, and then maybe how to solve a 4x4. I don't know. That one might never come. Might come. Also, I'll be doing how to solve a cylinder. And then pyramids. This one's really easy. So yeah, how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In the descriptions, there are the algorithms I used in case you can't remember them by video and you're a better learner by words. So, that's the video, and bye.